Hi, I'm Sarah Reimann. I'm a qualified accountant, business advisor, and professional speaker. And I'm passionate about teaching people and business owners how to better manage their money and create wealth for the future. In 2022 in November in Adelaide, I will be speaking at the Cornucopia conference for fostering women's abundance through financial empowerment. I'll be doing two sessions on the day. The first will be a workshop around how to start a business the right way the first time. We'll be talking about how all the government regulations, how to manage your finance and avoiding pitfalls, using technology to get stuff sorted, how you keep and manage your customers, creating a plan for success, and setting up the right way the first time. In the afternoon, I'll be doing a roundtable discussion around developing good financial habits for teens. So if you're a mother like me of children that have got their first job, I'm going to be talking about how they can invest in their future, how to avoid bad debt and bad credit, what they need to know about superannuation and insurance, and all of these financial literacy life skills that perhaps they don't learn in school. So I encourage you to join me in November at the Bar Hotel in Adelaide with many other fantastic speakers. Registration is in the link below, and I'll see you there.